Hello everyone, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis & Company, and in this video we will talk about how to start a logistic business in India. First, we'll have to know what is a logistic business. Defining the term logistic, it is basically a process of planning, implementing and controlling the process of effective and efficient transport and storage of goods. We can say that from the point where the making of good is finished till the point of consumption, all the activities are included in logistics. It is a company who does not actually manufacture the product but only involved in logistic business related to that product. So third party logistic is the outsourcing of the logistic operation of a company. Now coming to how to start a logistic business. First, if you're planning to start a logistic business, then there are some necessary steps. First is investment. So this is the first step before starting the logistic business. You have to arrange the funding or investment for this. The amount which you require for this business will depend on the type of services you wish to provide, as the cost will vary in each case. Then second is registration. The second step is to get registered where is necessary. In India, there are some mandatory registration. For example, International Airport Transport Association, that is ITA. Then you have Air Cargo Agent Association of India, ACAI, AAI registration. Then Income Tax Department registration, HGFT registration, Registrar of Company and other departments. So all these registrations that are mandatory should be completed. Then is business risk. The third step is that one should keep an eye on business risk associated with the business. Logistic business has risk as it involves dealing with large number of people like vendors, suppliers, etc. So it is very important to take necessary measures for risk management. Then there is clientele. It is very important to engage your client very well in the business to ensure smooth functioning of the business. Then competition. India has an open economy, and due to liberalization it is connected with freight market, and so it is very important to do a good market research and have full knowledge about the other competitors so that growth of the business can be ensured. I hope you like this video and have a nice day. See you in my next video with lot more information. Thank you.